Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use saved audio in your Instagram story. So in order to do this, first let's add an Instagram story by clicking on the plus icon at the top and then choose a story. So I will use any draft story and here is a blank story right here. So then I will gonna click on this music icon at the top and from here I can choose this saved option right here. Now it will give me all of those audios which I have saved. So simply choose that particular audio that you want to use and then simply select the length of that particular song. So for example, let's say this right here, and then click on the done button. Here you can see. Then the audio will be successful here in a click. So you click on the share button and click on the done button. Just wait for the story to get uploaded. And once the upload has been finished, you can review whether your changes have been saved or not. So here you can see that the story has been successfully updated and you can hear the music in the story as well. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.